hopefully they're biting. Hopefully they're doing something more than the last place. I don't need to invest in like, oh, I'm already hooked up. Look at that first cast. Oh, it's a big one. He's a good one. He's a good one. Oh my God, yo. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the episode of Jonah TV. I'm your host. Am I your host? Am I even a host at all? It's not even a damn TV show. It's a freaking YouTube channel where I talk into a GoPro and I attempt to try to catch fish. So anyways, good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Guys, we don't have an agenda today. I think I'm just going to try to hit a couple ponds up, try to get the old smash town on some of these fall bass or winter bass. Whatever damn season it decides to be here in Kentucky, that's the kind of bass we're going for. We literally went from like 70s, 80s, all the way down to like 30s, 40s, sometimes 50s in a matter of hours. Fall decided to just pass us right up and say screw it. So we're just gonna try to catch whatever season bass there is today. So anyways, guys, if you are new to the channel, go and subscribe if you like to watch someone who doesn't know how to fish but has fun doing it. That's me. So anyways, let's get on the pond and let's just try to catch some bass today. See you guys. Alright guys, you can tell that we are at Skunk City. If you are an original follower of this channel or just happen to stumble across any of my videos on this channel on accident, you'll recognize this place. It's usually my first stop coming into town, which is why you see this, of course. This is why I'm not good at fishing or casting or catching. But yeah, some of y'all who have been to the channel before and all 2 videos that I have, you'll recognize this place. This is where I come and get skunked. Oh my Lord, what is going on? Why are we struggling with this top water? Alright, let's get dialed in here because this is starting to be trash. I'm not gonna lie, guys. For some reason, any type of topwater hollow body, frog, yapparat, this little yappa, whatever this is, I've not been successful on a hookup. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe it's because I just am not good at fishing. But I have yet to have a hookup on a hollow body. Okay, well, I spoke too soon. I got one. Oh, and he let it go. Oh no, he didn't. He's still on. He's still on. You guys, I literally spoke too soon. Literally spoke too soon. Whew. Dude, he choked that. He's dirty as hell. Oh my God. I gotta wash him off. He's freaking nasty. Holy Jesus. Alright, he's clean. You guys, I guess this is how you're supposed to hook them. Sweet. Look at that. Well, hell, I spoke too soon, y'all. Because this is now my very first topwater hookup on the Yappa whatever that is. Oh Jesus, you'll see that? Look at my line. Oh God, I'm gonna have fun fixing that. Well, there you go. There's a nice fall bass. Sweet. Well, awesome guys. Let's get him back in the water. Let's get some more. There he goes. Can we get back-to-back casts? Can we get? Let's see. Oh, boo. All right, well, we didn't get the back-to-back fish. That's all right. Oh my Lord. Jesus. Are there any channels that, oh my God, there's a huge swirl right there off the bank. Are there any channels I can follow that show me how to fish? Because apparently I don't know how. Or at least how to cast. See, I think that's where you guys want it, right there. You want to cast right there on the grass, just like that. I promise guys, one day I'm gonna fish good and you guys are gonna like this channel. God, they're pushing. God bless, come on. Alright, well, we switched over to the buzz bait because the freaking Yappa frog, or the Yappa whatever, is keeps filling with water, and it's really not doing too well anymore. So we now on a buzz bait. See if we can get anything on this. It's so tacky, man. Freaking trash. Oh man. Oh, that's that carp. Whew, good buzzbait fish. Nice. There we go. Oh, he got himself loose. There we go. Come on. They're a decent sized fish. Oh, there we go. On the buzzbait. Can't complain. Fish number 2. They're about £1.75. They're not, for a fall fish, man, they're not too chunky. Yeah, here we go. Bass number 2. Sweet. Let's get him back in the water. Oh God, I'm sinking. There you go, big boss. Go eat. Oh, it's so cold. All right, so moving baits it is. Now I do gotta walk past this drain if I want to fish on this side, because I think if y'all seen in one of my other videos, there's a rope that connects this fountain to right over here, and I can't tell you how many freaking lures of mine are stuck on this. So I gotta find, let's see where that rope is so I don't freaking snag it. It's somewhere right over here. Oh, there it is. I think I see it. Make sure I don't hit that rope. Yep, so it's right there. So I'm in the safe zone. Oh shit. Y'all see that shit? Just bust my ass. I washed my hand. Just fell in the mud. Alright. Got one. Oh, come on. There we go. Fish number 3. A good sized fish too. That's how you want to hook them, y'all. Right there in the top. Perfect. Boom. Good little chunk. Not too bad. Alright. Alright, well, switched over to a chatterbait. So, let's see how this works out. Usually fairly successful with a chatterbait. But, usually. Oh, I think I got one. Yeah, I do. Holy crap. He didn't even hit it. Come on. Nice. He choked it though. Jeez. Let's fish number 4. There we go. Sweet. Bass number 4. Small guy. Probably not even a pound. But look, if you guys can even see this, these fish aren't even, he's a little fat. He's probably the little chunkiest one I've got today. But there you go. Bass number 4. Oh, he gone. Oh, there we go. Yeah, awesome. Bass number 5. Yeah, dude, they're hitting this pretty good. Screw you. There we go. Well, there's a bass number 5. So cool. Well, guys, this is time. Let's move to another spot. Let's go to pond number 2, see what they're doing over there. I think we've done pretty good here. Let's go and call it. See you guys at the next spot. Here we go. Yeah, this is where it's at. Right here. Yeah, and this thing looked Snapping Turtle Lake. I freaking hope not. Well, is there any other spots to fish from? Oh, there's a bass right there. There's like a little bitty, maybe like a pounder. He's not big. Let's see if we can get his attention. He's sitting right there. Oh, let's see. Well, y'all, we've made it to our 3rd spot. I'm sure you guys recognize this, the old honey hole. Hopefully they're biting better out here than they were at that last spot. So let's get down there. Whew, I feel like I'm gonna bust my butt walking on this hill. Now, we have had a lot of rain recently. When I say a lot, it rained for like a day, which has been more than we've had for a while. So this place should be pretty full. I know it was full maybe a couple weeks ago, the last time Goat and I came down here. So I don't know how full it is now. Fucking, oh shit. It's super full. Jeez. See if we can get anything on here. I've got a chatterbait hooked up with a New Guggen bait saucy swimmer. So it smells nasty, so the bass should like it. God, it's so full here. Oh. Hopefully they're chasing, or hopefully they're biting. Hopefully they're doing something more than the last place. I need to invest in, like, oh, I'm already hooked up. Look at that first cast. Oh, it's a big one. He's a good one. He's a good one. Oh my god, yo, this dude is massive. Yo, this is my PB for sure. Holy crap. Woo! Look at this. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. That is a freaking hoss. That is a fall fish. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, we're getting this way. Look how he ate that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You guys. Oh man. That is definitely a PB. We're weighing him. Yo, got a PB. Super happy. Y'all see this thing? All right. First cast out here. All right, y'all see that? We're zeroed out. Let's get this dude weighed. Let's get this dude weighed. Oh my god. Come on. The heck. 311, 312. So it keeps going from like 310 to 312. So 311. You guys, this is phenomenal. That is a monster bass, at least for me. Look at that belly. Wow. All right guys, I want to get him back in. Oh, I'm about to fall. I don't want to toss him. All right, let's get this guy back in. Other way, dude. Oh gosh. Well, if this don't make for a freaking video, there he goes. Jeez. Y'all, that's awesome. I'm sorry that happened. I'm in freaking Sperry's. I'm in boat shoes, so I don't want to be walking in this water, and I should have just tossed them, but I didn't want to do that either. So, whoo, nice. Perfect.